This entire video was made in under 2 minutes and I didn't edit a single frame. I've already made over $8,000 just by creating videos like this, and the best part? I didn't even edit them myself. One secret tool did everything for me, while others spend hours struggling with scripts, design, and editing. If you're still paying designers or wasting nights cutting clips, you're already falling behind. But here's the thing, in the next few seconds, I'll show you how you can create videos like this effortlessly, without any editing skills, and yes, it's completely free. Don't blink, or you'll miss it. We are now moving to the Motion website. This is the exact tool I was just talking about. Here you can create both short and long videos in absolutely any style. Cartoons, anime, 3D animations, realistic graphics, or hand-drawn illustrations. Right now, these niches are very popular and are gaining a lot of views on different platforms. Here are a couple of examples of such videos right away, so you can see the results you can achieve. You can also instantly add a voiceover and subtitles if you need them, which makes the process much faster and easier. In this video, I will create a couple of videos myself and explain step by step how everything is done. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to do it too. And yes, you'll already be able to publish your very first video on your channel today. In the main menu, we have a lot of features. These are different video styles, but we need the general creation section. This is a universal style where we can manually customize everything we need. So we click on it. It takes us to the section where I will create a video completely from scratch. As you can see, there are 3 options here: generate from prompt, use my content, and use my recording. In the second and third options, you can upload your own videos or images directly to the site. For example, if you've generated images using ChatGPT, you can simply upload them into Motion. But we will use the first option, because when we write our prompt, Motion will automatically generate images and write the script. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you don't get confused. First, we switch to ChatGPT. It will help us create a prompt. It's very important to first decide what you want to see in your animation, for example, an educational story or a fun, dynamic one. In any case, ChatGPT will help you generate the prompt. We type the following: write me a prompt to create a video in storyteller.motion.com. It will give us an example, and then we adjust it and add the story we came up with. For example, I need not just a prompt, but a whole plot about my character Gary, how he travels the world and saves his friends. Remember, these are my examples. You don't have to use my prompts. You can come up with your own scenario and edit it together with ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT understands what we want, but we need to split the prompt into paragraphs. To do this, we type, just write the texts in paragraphs without your headings. ChatGPT writes a ready-to-use prompt divided into sections. We copy it and return to Motion. We paste our prompt here, and almost everything is ready. At the top, we also select the style we want for our video. For example, I chose 3D animated cartoon. That's it for the prompt. Next, we choose English for the voiceover, though there are many other languages available if you prefer. And we leave the tone of the narration set to neutral. For the video resolution, I select 16:9 since we'll start by making a full-length video. Below, there are many different visual styles to choose from, but for our project, we select 3D animated cartoon. Now we click the generate button in the upper right corner and wait a little. Motion will automatically break our prompt into a step-by-step script and generate images for the animation. And it's done. As you can see, we have 12 scenes. Each scene can be edited or the image can be replaced. Right now, our images are static, but to create a fully animated video, we click Animate All. After that, we wait a little longer until all 12 images are animated. My story is about a boy named Gary, who goes on an adventure to rescue his friends. It's a long but fun journey, a short animated movie with a positive storyline. Later, we'll also generate a 2D cartoon in a shorts format, but we'll get to that later. Now everything is ready. If you want to delete or change anything, just click on the scene you want to edit. Then we press next. Here, we have the final editing options: subtitles, cover, and scene transitions. Subtitles are optional, the cover image too. You can also choose transitions between scenes and adjust the dynamic speed of each scene. As you can see, there are plenty of options. There is also a 3D avatar feature, but we won't use it this time. You can also choose music based on your preference. That's it. Now we press composite and our video starts rendering. All we have to do is wait. And our video is ready. Let's take a look at what we've created.
Gary was a brave, curious, and witty young adventurer who loved exploring new places. One peaceful morning in his colorful little hometown, everything changed when a dark shadow appeared in the sky. Zarkin, an evil inventor with a plan to freeze the entire world, swooped down in his giant flying ship and kidnapped Gary's best friends, Luna, a tech-savvy bunny, and Max, a funny talking parrot. Determined to rescue them, Gary packed his tiny red backpack, tightened his explorer's scarf, and jumped on his flying scooter, whispering to himself, "I'll find you, no matter where you are." Gary's journey took him across breathtaking landscapes, and exciting challenges.
I really like it. What do you think? Write your thoughts in the comments. And the best part is that we made this entire video using just one tool. Let's move on to the next job. Now you will learn how to make a shorts video in a 2D animation style that can get millions of views. Go to the main page of Motion. Again, click on General Creation and go to the ChatGPT chat to write our future prompt. Write our script to it. Now I need a video with 2D cartoon style graphics. The plot is, a lonely girl with blonde hair lives the life of a groundhog. She gets out of bed, turns off the alarm clock, brushes her teeth, gets dressed, walks down the street to work, rides in a subway car, sits at work in the office. She looks tired. Then she leaves the office, rides the subway again, has dinner, and goes to bed. Everything I wrote is divided into paragraphs, each scene where the location changes. This will be a social video, a clear example of how a person lives their life. I think the idea is excellent, but you can come up with something of your own. Excellent. As you can see, we have paragraphs for each scene. I have 10 here. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into Motion. It is advisable to put spaces between the scenes as I am doing. After that, at the very top of the prompt, write that this is a 2D cartoon animation, so that Motion understands us better. Below, do not touch the tone and voiceover parameters. The video format is YouTube Shorts, 9:16. In the Style section, there are many drawn graphics. You can also choose an anime style or some kind of 2D illustration. I will set the style to Skytail. I really like it. Now click Next at the top and wait while Motion creates a full script based on our prompt. By the way, write in the comments your results and how you like my plot. And if you need my help, then ask questions. I will answer everyone and help. Our script is ready. As you can see, everything here is as I described. But if you don't like something, as I already said, you can edit each scene. Now click the Animate All button at the top and wait for all the pictures to turn into videos. And it's ready. You can watch each video, and if it turned out poorly, just click the Regenerate button. When you're finished, click the Next button at the top, and here is the final editing. This time, I am not adding anything. I am turning off subtitles, transitions, and removing the voiceover and music, as I want to add my own music and do a little editing to make the video a bit shorter. After that, click the Composite button and wait about 2 minutes. While our video is being prepared, I wanted to tell you that such videos are made easily. And if you make quality content, then in a short time, you will definitely be able to achieve great results with the help of one tool. You can also do a little editing of the video after Motion. Meanwhile, our video is ready. Now I will go to CapCut. Just add the video, shorten it a bit, and that's it. I won't change anything else and will show you the final result. What do you think? The video with the original music you can watch on my Telegram channel? The link is in the description. My personal opinion is that Motion is a cool tool that saves a lot of time. Try it yourself. The link will be in the description. Share your results in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new trends. I hope this video was useful to you and you took something for yourself. I share only the best tools with you. Thank you all for watching. You can find the necessary links in the description. Create content and earn money. Best recommendations to everyone.